Okay, we're ready to rock and roll. Okay, now, so may I use your paper for just a second? All right, let me read this. It says, number 6, a 0.2 kilogram object, makes an elastic head-on collision with a 0.18 kilogram object. The final velocity of the 0.2 kilogram object is negative 0.48. It says 0.048 meters in the direction opposite the initial movement. Okay, that is 0.048. Okay? Right. And the final velocity of the 0.18 kilogram object is 0.19 meters per second in the same direction as the object which strikes it. So this one is 0.19. This is after, just to be consistent with here, we'll say final. Okay? And what was the initial velocity of the 0.2 kilogram object? So I want to know, it's the initial of this. The initial velocity of the 0.18 is 0, correct? Now we know that the initial momentum and the final momentum, the sums have to equal each other, correct? So here's the initial. The mass of 0.2 times the velocity of the 0.2 object, correct? And then the mass of the 0.18 and the velocity, which is actually 0, so we can discard this term, correct? We can discard that term. And then the mass of the 0.2, the final velocity of the 0.2, and then the mass of the 0.18 and the final velocity of the 0.18, correct? Yes. You okay with that? Is that right? Now what we're looking for is this, correct? All right, so let's plug in. Make sure your unit labels, meters per second and kilograms, everything's fine, yes? So I'll just put in, this is going to be 0.2 times V.2. That's what we're looking for, correct? We're looking for the velocity, the initial velocity of the 0.2 kilogram object, and that's going to equal 0.2, and the velocity of the 0.2 afterwards is negative 0.048. Okay? And then, is that right? Could you check that number again? Is it 0.048? Okay. And then, this is going to be 0.18 times 0.19. Correct?
Yes.
All right? So what's this value? What's 0.2 times 0.048?
Negative 0.009.
All right. Negative 0. What'd you say?
0096.
0096?
Yes.
Okay, 0096. What's 0.18 times 0.19?
0.032.
0.032?
342.
342. Okay? And then that's going to equal 0.2. And then I want this negative and this positive. What does that sum to?
0.0246.
0.0246.
0246. Yes.
Is that what you said? Okay. And then that's going to equal 0.2 and then the V.2, right? And divide through, you get the V.2. And the initial velocity is what we're looking for, correct? Because it's going in the positive direction, is 0.123, correct? Why are you laughing? You're laughing. Okay, so let me, are you okay with that?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll edit that in and, okay. Only my class knows. Did I make another error?
No.
Okay, all right. Anything else? Any other way you want to belittle me? That's okay? Okay, you want to mock me a little bit? Okay. Now we're really off. Okay.